Math is super fun. Slope is rise over run. I be chillin' in the sun.
Hey stats students, this week is Veterans Day. I want to appreciate the veterans. Why? Because they took courage and dedication and hard work, and thanks to also their families for their support, resilience, and sacrifice. Here's a grid view to navigate all the slides, and Mr. Frank, it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
That's right, guys. Week number 14, November 8th to November 10th. We're going to be focusing on 2.7 residual plots. I got news, school, and room 902 news. Week at a glance. Still pop into those virtual tutorings whenever you want. These are, I think, previous Savannah students. Campus wear, guys. Be in your seats when the bell rings, before and at the end of class. Sense of urgency. I've updated this now. We are completed 74% of the school, our first semester, and there's 25.9% who is unfinished. We are here on November 8th. No school on the 11th, Veterans Day, and then teachers will report to school, but students will not. Then we have one more week, Thanksgiving break, and then you have 1, 2, 3 weeks until winter break. These are minimum days for finals, so basically we have 5 more weeks left for the first semester. For the school year, we are 35% done. We have 64.8 unfinished. Grades, eCadence is official way to get and turn in your work. It is the unofficial grade. Aries is your official grade, and just because you turn in late work does not mean I grade it. You need to go through late work, this sad face. But I do grade it for 100%. No penalty on that. Also for grades, I have second quarter progress report. So this is your last one before your semester grades. And if you want any work turned in, turn in by Wednesday. Attendance and participation. If you need help, set up an office hours or just talk to me in class. Detentions. Because we have those independent study master agreement ones on the board, I'm going to change it. So this week, I left it. So this week, any names that are not erased by Wednesday, your names are going to be doubled and erased at 3:30 on Wednesday. Clubs. Rebels of Christ, we're going to meet our first time inside room 21. Chess club today and Thursdays in my room at lunchtime. Eat your lunch on your way here. Future Rebel educators, we met last week. That was good. Traditional students, we're going to have a quiz tomorrow. I'll give you some more details, and it'll close next Tuesday. Thrively and Khan Academy are due at the end of the month. This is your second to last check, and you might want to click on these to check the calendars. The due dates come up really quickly, especially for December, so you might want to get ahead. We got all these bonuses. Look at that nice looking Chromebook cart. Week number 14, our essential questions. How do you calculate and interpret residual plots? So we want to figure out, is the linear a best method, or should we use something called like exponential, power exponential? Okay, Monday, I'm calling this a work day, and a great way to study for the quiz is to complete quiz corrections. It's optional, not extra credit. Tomorrow we will be, you'll be turning in your packet, and we're going to have a quiz, 2.1 to 2.6. Wednesday I have lesson 2.7. No school on Thursday and Friday for you guys. It might be a great day to spend one day on college apps and another day for late work. Do sleep in, but not too much. Next week I want to peek ahead. For traditional students, we have homework 2.7, lesson 2.8, and then homework 2.8. And then the week we come back, I think I want you guys to be mindful of this. I want to point this out. After Thanksgiving, you basically have, on this day, Google certificate students, your module 2 is due, so it sneaks up on you. Red light, yellow light, green light. Traditional students, everything here is in red, is been graded and is if you want to submit it, is now late. Yellow means this is the next thing I need to grade. I need to grade your packet 12.4a and then take-home reflection for all students. And this is what to do tomorrow, lessons 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6. Google certificate students, I have not graded your learning logs yet, and the next deadline I showed you guys was at the end of November. I think that's all I have for you guys. Appreciate those who have given up, who've made sacrifices, even the families. Thank you, veterans. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
It started out with graphing and then it went to functions. I'm doing FOIL to solve X. Next is the expressions. Now I have to see if X is equal to or greater than 3. Now you make that point on the X-axis. Wait, was it a positive 3 or a negative 3?